everyone, I need to hear more time to chalk. I'm gonna do some life preserver ornaments, and I got these on Amazon. They are 5.5 centimeters, and we're gonna use some wood pieces that I got at the dollar store, some little I guess it's like a quote piece of wood, some anchors, and I also have some seashells and some macrame cord and an assortment of DecoArt paint. So let's get crafting. So when I do ornaments, I always like to do a set of 3. So I'm going to use 3 different colors for these, and the first one is cinnamon drop. Now I did do 2 coats for each color that I'm going to be using, and the second color is saffron yellow, and I always have a trouble saying saffron. And this is a pretty yellow one. The third color is Luguana. Now these are all 3 colors that I like for summer, but also can be used for ornaments. Now these little word signs, I did get them at the dollar store. It came in the kits and also had the anchors, and I found those in my stash. And I'm going to make those a little bit age looking for the little anchors. So once this is all dry, I am going to apply some highlights to my little life preservers. So I have a bristle brush, and I kind of dry brush the paint on it, and I go all the way around. And so I'm using some warm white for that color. And I'm also going to put those on the anchor as well. So just apply some little highlights to this. I really like how this is going to turn out. And you guys, if you want more ideas and inspiration, you can go ahead and comment #VIP for my free private crafting group. I'll send you a link through Messenger. So for my little signs, I did apply some shadow or dark areas along the edges, and I did add some to my anchor as well. So I'm going to use some stamps for the words, and before I do that, I am going to rough up the surface just to make it look a little bit old, just for the words. So I'm going to choose 3 Christmas words, kind of like hope, believe, and joy. So those are going to be my 3 words that I'm going to use. If you don't have stamps, you can always just write them in yourself. So now I'm going to apply my macrame cord, and so I'm going to go around it, do 2, kind of like do 2 on each end, like making sure that it faces each other. And when I go around my little life preserver, I did go around 5 times. Now make sure that it's nice and tight when you do go around it. And I thought this macrame cord was a perfect string for this, because I found the jute string was a little bit too thick. So if you do use jute string, just go around it a couple times. Okay, so I forgot to mention that when you go around with the string, make one just a little bit longer, so that way you can hang it on a branch in your Christmas tree. And I went around the little life preserver about 4 times, and I repeated this step for the other 2 rings. So now they're all done and glued. I'm going to put my little sign near the bottom, and the little anchor on the top right side. I did add about 3 shells near the bottom, so just add whatever amount that you desire, and I repeated for all 3. So let me know what you guys think about this project in the comment below. I love how this turned out. So here we have three little ornaments. One is believe, hope, and joy. I really hope this inspires you to make some, and thanks for watching. See you next time.